Oh, it's a rainy night out here. It's about 7:30. I just had shawarma, the chicken shawarma. I had 2 chicken shawarma sandwich.
Thank you, sir.
And a bottle of water. 200 peso, $4, less than $4. The jungle man. I'm just gonna sit here. I sit here and film. Too rainy. Too rainy. Good time to film. People can't get mad. They won't show up in the camera. But I've been out all day. I pushed myself today. I got up, I got dressed, I showered. Went to SMO and got some phone equipment for the YouTube channel. Ran into an old friend. Helped out some students at the SMO with their homework assignment about fake news and propaganda. Now I'm just gonna hang out a little more, go home, have a good night's sleep, get up and do it all over again. No one's going anywhere. Too much rain. It's the rainy season. Oh, and I did have a foot massage earlier today. 350 pesos. Less than $7. 1 hour foot massage. It's wonderful. It's really nice. How can you beat it? $7, 1 hour. I used to get haircuts in Dumaguete for 30, 40, 50 pesos. 60, 80 cents, $1. It is more expensive here in Angeles City than Dumaguete. But I like it better here. There's less brownouts, less bugs. It's further north, so it's cooler. And the food is much better here. I have a few favorite places I go to, and then I'm always looking for more food places. I live to eat. I don't eat to live. Here they're getting in the truck. They're getting in my truck. But the channel's growing, and I appreciate everyone sending me in money for coffees. Thank you very much, all the people who have been buying me coffee. I hope there's more of you that subscribe. Too many people are watching and not subscribing. But this shawarma place is very good. The food is very good here. It's quick, it's easy, and it's delicious. It's really good. It's really good, and yeah, like I said, it's quick, it's easy, it's tasty, and it's filling. I got 2 shawarmas for under $4 with a drink. So leave your comments below why you're watching Philippine YouTube channel. If you're here in the Philippines, let me know. If you're in another country, let me know where you're watching from and what interests you about the Philippines.
Sana yung mga batang yan, hindi ng mga
The rain really hurts the business here. No one's out on the streets. No one's out in the streets. But anyway, I'm going to say goodbye for now. Till the next time, like, subscribe, ring the bell, thumbs up, buy me coffee. The coffee link is on the main page. There's no excuse, no excuse. You gotta help out the YouTubers. The YouTubers put in a lot of work and effort. That's all for now.